Win+E keyboard shortcut stopped working. I've managed to mess up my Win+E shortcut, such that it gives me the following error message. Is there any way to manually restore this shortcut? I'm running Windows 7.
What does Win+E do? Because troubleshooting system internals is sweet. Let's look on an untampered system with Process Monitor to see what exactly happens when we do that. The steps I take. Download and run the program. This URL. Accept the EULA, reset the filters and filter anything away that's not interesting. Clean the log, press Win+E and stop capturing afterwards. Note that we're only going to look at the success ones. HKCU? No. Current user configuration, 2 big key. HKCU /software /explorer? No. Explorer configuration, 2 big key. C:\Windows /? No. Read because it is the working directory. HKCU /software /classes? No. Windows classes, 2 big key, used to search the next one. HKCR /CLSID /2004FE03AA1069A2D8080002B30309D? No. Renaming this has no effect. HKCR /folder? Bingo. Seems the contents of that key are way too specific regarding execution. Exploring that key, I would say open new window would be the action Win+E calls. Just to verify it, let's adjust the value to Eve or flips. How do I solve the problem? If Eve or flips his problem isn't further along the call stack. Set HKey _classes _root /folder /shell /open new window /command /delegate execute to the default value.
I'd assume most likely it is virus corrupting the .exe file association. I have recently come over a fix of it, by Jared, this URL. Save the above as a text file with .reg extension. Then double-click it.
None of the above worked for me on Windows 10. The issue for me was that the folder open window was missing. I duplicate the open folder under HKey _classes _root /folder /shell / and a new folder named open window, and it worked.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.